Alright, so we're going to put some ODI grips on Kylie's 400EX. As you can see, we done got one side on. But I'm going to show you how easy these are to install. First, get you a razor blade. All you got to do is go right down the grip, cut it off, and that's it. Your grip's off. Garbage. Pretty easy, pretty simple. Alright, now here's how easy. This is all the parts there is to these. You got the grip. This is my own Allen head. The screws are tiny. I'm trying not to drop them. Alright, let's go back over there. So, in order to put these on, you got this grip here. You always want to put this downward, because once it's on here, the throttle's going to whack it if it's up like that. It's cut like that for a reason. These are pretty simple. They do take a little bit of muscle to get on. Let me lay these screws down before I drop them. I may drop them anyway. Alright. So, take that, line the notches up. And that's, sometimes it can be, there you go. Snap it on. Now, these are pretty sturdy. Slide that on. Go ahead and put one of your bolts in. And just give it a couple rounds. Don't tighten it all the way down, because we got to position this to get it correctly. Alright. Come over here to this side. You'll do the same. Now, once you get that locked on though, it's easier to just pull this right back off. Hold that like that, and repeat the process we did a minute ago. Just like that. Alright. Now, go ahead and pop the end in this. Now this seems to be not tricky. It was on that one. That's what your grip should look like. Go ahead and get your last screw. Put it in the end here. Slide that back on. Remember, that's why we left that loose. Now, with the end being in, it bottoms out. So that's as far as you know you can go, because if you shove it on there, you're going to blow this end back out. Go ahead and snug this up. Just enough tension till you can feel it tighten down. And these don't torque too much. You can strip them. All right. Remember, this has got to go down to the bottom. Let's see if we can demonstrate why. There you go. Look here. You got it positioned wrong. It's going to hang your throttle. So now you rotate that. It's already pre-cut. Remember, the biggest thing here is no more gluing, no more wire tying. I couldn't tell you how many times over the years that I have despised like the grips we just took off Kylie's four-wheeler, even my Banshees, but I have these ODIs on all three of these. And I freaking love them. Give these one good snug with your thumb and index, then turn it like this and turn it quarter of a turn. Do not turn it more. You will strip them. All you gotta do is barely tighten it. 1/4 turn. Right there. Leave it alone. And you will not pull that grip off. Alright, check it out. That's what they look like. 10 times better than any rubber grip. They are not sponsoring me, but that's what I have. Some of the best grips I've ever used on a four-wheeler. Check them out. They're only like, I think, $25, $35. But I'm telling you, you won't pull them grips off. Look here. They're on Mr. Nasty and they're on Little Nasty. I'm done wearing the grips a little bit right here from riding it. But man, I'll tell you what, so much better. So much better. I was riding this one the other day and the fender bracket broke, so ordered some new ones, of course off eBay. It's just a fender bracket. These are powder coated with a rough textured finish, which I do like. I've got to take that one, put it back on nasty, put these two new ones on this one, because that one matches the one that come off nasty. But yep, Kylie's gonna try this thing out, see how she likes these grips. So like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you know when I upload stuff. Oh, and also check me out on TikToks under Hellcat channel. I've got a TikTok, probably got 1,200 subscribers. I'll tell you something that pisses me off about TikTok though is I had almost 10,000 on there and somebody reported one of my videos and they booted me off of there. So yeah, TikTok's a little bit of a crybaby platform versus YouTube. But yeah, anyways, without further ado, y'all have a good day.